Hello dear students, welcome to the third math online class. Did you realize that in your previous class you are math doctors and were doing the operation of addition on large numbers? So guess what is the topic of today? You're right. Today our topic of discussion is subtraction. So in today's class we will have a recapitulation of the rules for subtracting large numbers. Before we start discussing the different rules for subtraction, let us first know what are the different terms and keywords related to the numerical operation of subtraction. The first term is minuend. It's the number you subtract from. Subtrahend, it is the number you subtract. For example, if I take 10 minus 5, I'm subtracting 5 from 10. So 5 is the subtrahend and 10 is the minuend. These terms are not used frequently, but it's good if we know their meanings. The next term is subtract. Subtract 87 from 107. It means we're doing the subtraction of 87 from the bigger number. Minus 9807 minus 2314. This is the subtraction of the small number from the bigger number. Take away 67 from 342. So it is a subtraction of 67 from 342. Decrease. 56 decreased by 10 means 56 minus 10. Take from. Take 99 from 1000. It means subtraction of 99 from 1000. Reduce. Reduce 43 by 5 means 43 minus 5. Fewer. 200 fewer by 25 means 200 minus 25. So it is very important to understand all the keywords, and whenever you find these words in different statement problems, you have to understand it as the numerical operation of subtraction. So dear students, before you take up the numerical operation of subtraction, first you have to just recollect the comparison of numbers which we discussed in our first class. When you are given a subtraction sum, you might be in a doubt which number has to be subtracted from which number. So then you have to take a pause and first decide which number is the bigger of the two. To do that, you need to follow the different rules of comparison of numbers, then find out the bigger number and the smaller number, and go ahead with subtraction of smaller number from the bigger one. Let us now look at the subtraction of 5 to 6 digit numbers without regrouping. There are two rules for subtraction. The first one is identify the larger and smaller number. For example, here I have taken two numbers and I have to identify which one has to be subtracted from which one. So let us now count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-digit number. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also a 6-digit number. Since they are both 6-digit numbers, we will compare the numbers from the left hand side digit. So I have 2 here and I have 1 here. And this is the lakhs place. So the place value of this number is 2 lakhs and the place value of this number is 1 lakh. Obviously, this number is the larger one and this is the smaller one. So now we are ready with the rule 1. Let us go to the rule 2. Once you have identified, write the larger number first and the smaller number just below it using the places. I have written the larger number first and the smaller number just below it, and 7 is below 9 in the ones place, 2 below 5 in tens place, 5 below 6 in hundreds place, 4 below 8 in thousands place, 3 below 7 in 10,000s place, and 1 below 2 in lakh place. So make sure that you have given proper spacing between the numbers and they are aligned properly as per the columns and places, and then you can go ahead with the subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 4 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have completed the subtraction, and you can see here there is no regrouping. Means all the numbers here are larger than these numbers. Let's now look at the subtraction of 5 to 6 digit numbers with regrouping. I have here two numbers. This number has 6 digits and this number also has 6 digits. So which one is bigger? Let us start comparing from the left hand side. Here we have 5 and here we have 1. Obviously 5 place value is 5 lakhs and place value of 1 is 1 lakh. So this number is the larger one and this is the smaller one. So we have identified as per the rule 1. Now as per the rule 2, we will arrange these numbers using places, writing the larger number first and the smaller number just below it. I have arranged the two numbers, larger one above, smaller one below. First let us start subtracting from the ones place. So can I subtract 7 from 5? No. So I have to regroup this 5. I'll borrow 1 10 from 2. So 2 tens here becomes 1 10 and this 10 is added to 5. So 1 10 is nothing but 10 ones plus 5. So this becomes 15. 15 minus 7 can be done. It gives us 8. Now I have 1 minus 8. Again 8 is larger compared to 1. So I can't do the subtraction. I have to borrow 100 from 3. So 3 becomes 2. This becomes 1. And 1 are 11. We borrowed 100. So 100 is nothing but 10 tens. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So these are 11 tens. 11 minus 8 is 3. Let us go further to the left. Can we do 2 minus 9? No. So again we have to do the borrowing or regrouping. So I borrow 1 from 9. So this becomes 8 or 8 in the thousands place. So this becomes 12. Twelve minus 9 is 3. Now 8 minus 5 we can do without regrouping, which is 3. Now again 3 minus 4 cannot be done. So I'll borrow from the 5. 5 becomes 4. This becomes 13. And 13 minus 4 is 9. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have completed the subtraction starting from the ones place till the lakhs place. To verify your subtraction, you can add this number and this number, then you will be getting the first number. Let us understand subtraction with regrouping with one more example. I have taken here two 6-digit numbers and I have arranged the larger number above and the smaller number below it. Now let us start doing the subtraction. Can we do 1 minus 4? No. So I borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and this is 11 in the ones place. 11 minus 4 is 7. Let us do the subtraction of 2 minus 7. Can we subtract 7 from 2? No. So we regroup it. 5 becomes 4 and we are borrowing to the tens place. So this is 12. And 12 minus 7 is 5. Now let us go to the next hundreds place. Can we do subtraction of 4 minus 8? No. So we have to borrow from 0. But wait, can we borrow from 0? No, right? So you have to go one step further. So first you need to regroup 0, then you need to regroup it further. So I'll borrow from 8, 8 becomes 7, 0 becomes 10. So first you have regrouped 0. Now I can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and 4 becomes 14 when I regroup it. 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have completed the subtraction. You have to be very careful when you have 0 in the larger number and another number in the smaller one to subtract it from. So students, pause your video here and verify the subtraction and you can resume again. So when I add this number and this number, I should get the larger number. So you can see this number plus this has given me the larger number. Hope you have verified your subtraction. So students, bear in mind that you arrange the numbers properly, giving proper gaps, aligning them, and then go ahead with the subtraction. And the most important point which you have to remember is verification as soon as you complete your subtraction. So you will ensure that you have done it correct. So today you have become math doctors and you have improved your skill of subtraction on 5 to 6 digit numbers. Today's class task is from the Math Practice Book 1, page number 27 to 30, question number 1, CFGIK. So as soon as you complete them, take pics, upload them in Google Classroom, and don't forget to turn in. See you again in the next class. Until then, bye.